I am packing my luggage for the trip. Luggage. I am allergic to nuts. Allergic. Nuts. Where is the nearest hotel? Hotel. Is there Wi-Fi available here? Taxi. Wi-Fi. Do you accept credit cards? Credit card. Could you show me the menu, please? Menu. I would like a window seat, please. Window seat. Where can I buy souvenirs? Souvenir. How much is this ticket? Can I have the check, please? How much is a museum ticket? Museum. How far is the beach? Beach. Can you show me on the map? Map. Excuse me, where is the nearest train station? Train station. I need to change some money. Money. What time is the checkout time tomorrow? Check out. Can you help me carry the luggage? Luggage. Is there a pharmacy near here? Pharmacy. What time does the bus leave? I am looking for a good restaurant. Restaurant. Where is the nearest ATM? ATM. Can you recommend a famous local food? Local. Can I get a single room, please? Single room. The mall of this city is very big. Mall. I want to go to the supermarket. Supermarket. How can I get to the city center? City center. Is there a place to charge my phone? Charger. I am looking for a public restroom. Public restroom. Can I pay with a card instead of cash? Credit card. Money. I bought a SIM card. SIM card. I asked the hostess for a cup of coffee. The What time does the bus leave?